Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Byrd. I'm the creator of Illuminous 4K screen paint using ambient light rejection technology gain. We're going to make that black screen paint ingredients. This is actually was text to me, or actually emailed to me, from a friend who wanted me to make this stuff. So let me see. This stuff right here, this is what's freaking me out. This stuff right here is very, very toxic. Very, very toxic. If this stuff becomes airborne, this stuff can cause a lot of damage to your lungs. On top of that, keep in mind, whatever becomes airborne eventually has to come down. And if you do this inside your house, you can get a light coating. You can pretty much, if you spray cannons, anything you spray or use is pretty much not going to dissolve. It's going to cause some form of dusting or coating somewhere. And what freaks me out about this stuff right here is the fact that if this stuff gets into your lungs, it could cause, this is bad news right here altogether. No one should be telling anybody to make this using especially this kind of ingredients. So the problem I have with this is the fact that this becomes airborne. Say you spill this or something happens inside your home and this stuff gets on your countertop, and you're going to have to really hazmatically wash your house down, because if you spill any of this in the air and you think that, okay, it's not going to be a problem, if stuff becomes airborne and lands eventually and leaves a coating on a table or on the floor, and your kids come by, kids got to have it licking their fingers and touching everything, putting their fingers back in their mouth. Somebody can get really sick from this, and especially if you have small pets. You know, you don't want this stuff laying on your floor. You don't want dusting of this stuff laying on your floor. So this stuff should never ever be used, period. It's very toxic. Right here is something you didn't add in your ingredients, did you? Actually, I'm adding something different for mine. And see that black paint over there? It's not Noir. You know why? Because Noir is actually a kind of a light charcoal gray. That right there is Dynasty sitting in there. That real dark. If next time you decide you're going to make my product, pick up Black Magic or Domino. They're actually darker than Noir. High grain silver. And let's get some of this stuff right here. Now I could be working on my website, but I'm entertaining you idiots. Solid fake and Crow the Snake. Let me give you a look at what this stuff looks like. You guys don't know how to pick out silver correctly. This is a high-grade silver. Oops, put that on my floor. See right there? That's a high-grade silver right there. Not that cheap stuff that you guys get in the day, because you don't know what to pick out. PPG or PPD, whatever you call that stuff, or G, whatever it's called. That stuff is crap. This is real grade silver. Don't even know how to properly pick out a proper silver.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my duck off the crib, the spot, the pad. But my house is your house if you throwing it back. Excuse me if my home draining the sand. Soon as these happy faces land, you can run with the cat.